Farewell and welcome. Both are opposite to each other, but both are the expression for happiness. Farewell means an expression of good wishes at parting, and welcome means an expression of goodwill upon meeting. A very good morning to you all, the respected sisters and all my workmates. As we all know the reason of connecting here on Google Meet, today we are bidding farewell to our three respected sisters, Mother Premia, who nurtured us like a mother indeed, Sister Anlit, who taught us tons of teaching techniques, and our most lovely and caring sister Somi, who was found with every of us when one was in the needs. It is a very auspicious event, and I, Vikas Singh, as the staff secretary of this school, welcome you all here with another celebration of happiness. As we all are going to welcome one of new members to our captivating St. Mary's family. Here, I hand over the program to Sir Bhanu Pratap Singh. Hope you all will enjoy this celebration. Thanking you all.
Thank you, sir, for giving me such opportunity. I am Bhanu Pratap Singh. In front of you, today we are going to celebrate farewell as well as welcome of our sisters. And this is the first time in my career, and I hope not only in mine, in others also, we are giving the farewell and welcome like this online. So now we are going to celebrate this event. Let's start with our first program. When you kneel to God, He stands up for you, and when He stands up for you, no one can stand against you. With this strong belief, I request Brijesh ma'am to lead us into prayer.
तूने बुलाया स्वामी मुझे, आया हूँ तेरे चरणों में। आ आ आ तूने बुलाया स्वामी मुझे, आया हूँ तेरे चरणों में। शरणम 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 प्रभु, शरणम 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 प्रभु, शरणम 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 प्रभु, शरणम 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 प्रभु। गर आए जीवन में घोर अंधेरा, बन जाओ जीवन प्रकाश मेरा। गर आए जीवन में घोर अंधेरा, बन जाओ जीवन प्रकाश मेरा। बन जाओ मेरी आशा प्रभु जी, बन जाओ मेरी आशा प्रभु जी। टूट न जाए मेरी हिम्मत प्रभु जी, टूट न जाए मेरी हिम्मत प्रभु जी। शरणम 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 प्रभु, शरणम 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 प्रभु। सबके दिल में तुम्हें मैं निहारूं, सबके दिल को अपना बना लूं। सबके दिल में तुम्हें मैं निहारूं, सबके दिल को अपना बना लूं। तू ही मेरा राज दुलारा, तू ही मेरा राज दुलारा। बाल सेवक तुम्हारा, बालक हूँ मैं सेवक तुम्हारा। शरणम 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 प्रभु, शरणम 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 प्रभु। तूने बुलाया स्वामी मुझे, आया हूँ तेरे चरणों में, आया हूँ तेरे चरणों में।
Thank you, ma'am. Feelings aren't wrong or right, good or bad. Feelings just are. They may forget you, but they will not forget how you made them feel. So I request Prakash Pankaj sir to say a few words for our loving Motherji. Sir, please.
Respected Sister Principal, Sister Director, Sister Vice Principal, all respected sisters, my dear colleagues, I wish you a very good morning. Today we are bidding farewell to our beloved Motherji, Sister Premia, the decorated manager, director of our prestigious school. We all know that this ceremony is a bit bitter because Mother Premia is leaving us all. In such a big ceremony, our Honorable Sister Principal and our Staff Secretary gave me an opportunity to express my views. I thank them for this. Motherji, I remembered when I joined this school, I used to hear your name. Sister Premia loved everyone like her own child. Took care of parents, teachers, and children as a mother. And God blessed us. You transferred to Haldor. I found with you, sister, that as I had heard was less. Sister, you are full of motherhood. You are worried for all. None can escape from your kind eyes. It was our good fortune that we received your blessings and we also progressed to serve others under your experienced guidance. That's why we do not find any work difficult today. Sister, really your personality is inspirational for all of us. We are still not convinced that you are leaving the school, but every person in the world has to face fate. We cannot change the fate. Motherji, we all pray to God that they will give you a good health to serve others. Motherji, we pray to you also that after leaving this school, wherever you will be, we want to contact with you and we want your worthy guidance in our life as well. Finally, we apologize for wholeheartedly if we had inadvertently or intentionally hurt your feelings. Thank you, Motherji, for your impressive and valuable contribution to this school. We all pray God for your better future. Thank you all listening me with so much patience and calmness. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now, after listening about Motherji, now I request Ispriya sir to say few words for our loving sister Enlet. Sir, please.
दस्तूर है जमाने का यह पुराना, लगा रहता है यहाँ आना और जाना। रहो जहाँ अपनी छाप ऐसे छोड़ जाना, हर कोई गुनगुनाता रहे आपका ही तराना। Good morning everyone, here I am Ishpriya going to speak about Sister Anlit. First, I want to say that I feel honored to speak about Sister Anlit and I thankful to our beloved principal, Reverend Sister Leena and Staff Secretary Mr. Vikas Singh to provide me this opportunity. When Sister Anlit came here, that time, one of the teacher told me that Sister is quite strict and really, she has been. Sister Anlit is very caring about academics and observed everything and always made implementation for perfection in teaching methods. In the beginning, during class time, when she entered in the class and she remained there for full time, that time I felt a little bit awkward because we never had such type of experience before. But after some time, I felt improvement in myself as well as in students. Then we started enjoying her presence and starting using her techniques. I have learned a lot from sister, whether it was at the time of class or during making timetable. And you know, sister, you have so many qualities in you, like politeness, hardworking, good knowledge of maths, and the most important is a good sense of humor. So on the behalf of entire St. Mary family, I want to say that we will really miss you, Sister Ji, and I hope you will come back here again. At last, I want to say that thank you for everything that you have accomplished so far, and good luck to everything you will be in the future. Thank you.
Music is the best way to express our love. Now, I request Hemant Pawar sir, our music teacher, to sing a song on this occasion.
आने वाली सुबह जाने होगी कितनी सुहानी, चमकेंगे ऐसे ये सारी दुनिया होगी अपनी दीवानी। हम रहे या ना रहे याद आएंगे ये पल, हम रहे या ना रहे याद आएंगे ये पल। कल मिल जाए तो होगी खुश नसीबी, रहे या ना रहे याद आएंगे ये पल।
Wow, what a melodious song it was. Sometimes it only takes one good song to bring back thousands of good old memories. Now we are excited to listen to a brilliant song by one of my colleague, Mrs. रश्मि वर्मा।
लोगों को आते हैं दो नजर, हम मगर देखो दो नहीं। अरे हो जुदा या खफा, ऐ खुदा दे दुआ ऐसा हो नहीं। खाना पीना साथ है, मरना जीना साथ है। खाना पीना साथ है, मरना जीना साथ है। सारी जिंदगी ये दोस्ती हम नहीं तोड़ेंगे, तोड़ेंगे दम मगर तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे। ये दोस्ती हम नहीं तोड़ेंगे, तोड़ेंगे दम मगर तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे।
Thank you, ma'am. It was tremendous. Now I request Anshu ma'am to say few words for our loving sister Somi. Anshu ma'am, please say few words for our sister.
Good morning, respected sister principal, mother ji, other sister and my dear colleagues. As we all know that today we all are here to celebrate the farewell and welcome ceremony of our loving sisters. Firstly, I would like to congratulate all my sisters for their nice journey and career. Now, I would like to say some words about my loving sister, Sister Somi. I wish her for a bright future and success of her hard work. As we all know that she is the coordinator of our kindergarten. As the coordinator, she always helped us a lot. She always taught us a lot. Really, Sister Ji, you taught us a lot. She always helped us in the arrangement of any event celebration. Sister Ji, we will never forget your two words. Yes, my dear. Sister Ji, we always miss your hugs, your smiles, your out of box thinking, your desire to do the best, your curious mind, and your guidance. Sister Ji, as we say goodbye, we remind ourselves that farewell are not forever, nor are they the end. They are simply words to say that we will miss you, Sister Ji, and we will remember you fondly, Sister Ji. In the last, I would like to say two lines. भोर गमगीन होकर खबर लाई है, भोर गमगीन होकर खबर लाई है, दिन भी बेचैन है धूप घबराई है, दिन भी बेचैन है धूप घबराई है। आपको हम फेयरवेल दे दें मगर, आपको हम फेयरवेल दे दें मगर, दिल सुबकने लगा आंख भर आई है, दिल सुबकने लगा आंख भर आई है। Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, ma'am. Now you will witness another sensational performance by Kashish, class 10th rows. Let's enjoy the dance.
मैंने जब देखा था तुझको, रात भी वो याद है मुझको, आए गिनते गिनते सो गया। दिल में याद आता था किसके, कुछ कहा था तूने हंस के, मैं उसी पर तेरा हो गया। आसमानों पे जो खुदा है, उससे मेरी यही दुआ है, चांद जरा सा कर इशारा, दिल जला के जगमगा दूं मैं तेरे रास्ते। मेरे जैसा इश्क में पागल फिर मिले या ना मिले कल, सोचना क्या हाथ दे दे मेरे हाथ में। टूटी मोहब्बत में अंगड़ाई, दिल का सोना हुआ चांदनी रात। तेरी नजरों ने कुछ ऐसा जादू किया, लुट गए हम तो पहली मुलाकात में।
What a performance! Excellent, tremendous, stunning. I have no words to express. Now, the next. I think Sister Somi has been the most popular among us, all teachers, as she worked here as teacher as well. And it is known to all she is owner of sweet voice, caring nature, and so on. Therefore, I request Rupa ma'am to say few words to praise Sister Somi.
To all respected sisters and dear teacher, today we are celebrating the farewell of our loving and respected sisters. As we all know that a farewell speech is a warm and loving way to say goodbye to those with whom we spent a time with. Here, I feel grateful to deliver a speech for Sister Somi on such an outstanding day like today. Sister, really, our heart skipped a beat when Principal Sister announced your transfer, and it took time to sink in because it's difficult to imagine working here without you. Sister, on your farewell, we are sure that we can't get replacement for you. Sister, you will be remembered for your support, your good guidance, and even your friendly behavior also. Here, sister, I want to convert my feelings in a form of poetry. आपका साथ धूप में छाँव है, आपका साथ धूप में छाँव है, आपका साथ समंदर में नाव है, आपका साथ समंदर में नाव है, आपका साथ अंधेरे में प्रकाश है, आपका साथ अंधेरे में प्रकाश है। दे रहे हैं आपको दिल से विदाई, दे रहे हैं आपको दिल से विदाई, फिर भी दिल की गहराइयों में आप हैं, फिर भी दिल की गहराइयों में आप। Still I remember that is when I used to share my problems with you. You not only listen to my problems, but how easily you assist me also to overcome them. Sister, now you are going from here. I'll miss your support and your guidance. Sister, not only me, but the entire staff will follow the path which you have shown to us. And at the last, I want to say a few lines for you. सोच तो आपकी होगी, सोच तो आपकी होगी, मगर आवाज़ हम देंगे। ख्वाब तो आपके होंगे, ख्वाब तो आपके होंगे, मगर अंजाम हम देंगे। विदाई पर हमारी ओर से, विदाई पर हमारी ओर से उपहार इतना सा है। इरादे तो आपके होंगे, इरादे तो आपके होंगे, मगर परवाज़ हम देंगे, मगर परवाज़ हम देंगे। सिस्टर, on your farewell, wish you all the best.
Thank you, ma'am. Dear audience, I hope you're enjoying. But this is not over yet. This was just a beginning. There are yet more mesmerizing performance to come. Now, let our hearts get soothed by poetry. Now I request our most talented, most experienced to share your experience through poetry. Over to you, ma'am. Let's enjoy the poem by Avneet, ma'am.
हेलो एवरीवन, आज इस विदाई समारोह में मैं अपने कुछ भाव इस कविता के द्वारा प्रस्तुत कर रही हूँ। जैसा कि हम सब जानते हैं, ये विदाई समारोह हमारी प्यारी मदर जी, सिस्टर प्रीमिया, सिस्टर एनलेट और सिस्टर सोमी के लिए है। इन लोग के साथ जो वक्त हमने गुजारा है वो भूला नहीं जा सकता। आज मैं अपनी इस कविता के द्वारा अपने कुछ भाव व्यक्त कर रही हूँ। विदा अच्छों के लेने से माहौल गम जैसा बन जाता, विदा अच्छों के लेने से माहौल गम जैसा बन जाता। बचाता था जो संकट से, बचाता था जो संकट से, जुदा हो रहा आज वो छाता, विदा अच्छों के लेने से माहौल गम जैसा बन जाता। विदाई प्यारी सिस्टर की, विदाई प्यारी सिस्टर्स की, बनेगी याद हर दिल की, विदाई प्यारी सिस्टर्स की, बनेगी याद हर दिल की। हर एक को दुख बड़ा होगा, हर एक को दुख बड़ा होगा, बना था इस तरह नाता, विदा अच्छों के लेने से माहौल गम जैसा बन जाता। अब कुछ पंक्तियाँ मैं अपनी मदर जी के लिए, जिन्होंने मुझे इस स्कूल में अपॉइंटमेंट दिया था, उनके समक्ष रखना चाहूँगी। व्यवहार ऐसा रहा इनका, व्यवहार रहा इनका ऐसा, खिला था चमन हर मन का, व्यवहार ऐसा रहा इनका, खिलाता था चमन मन का। दिया यहाँ प्यार सबको, दिया यहाँ प्यार सबको, निभाती जिस तरह माता, विदा अच्छों के लेने से माहौल गम जैसा बन जाता। मुझे तो नियुक्ति तक दी थी, इन्होंने मुझे यहाँ पर नियुक्ति दी थी, नियुक्ति तो मुझे भी दी थी, बहुत आभार है मुझ पर, मेरे तो भगवान की भांति बनी रही ये ही जीवन दाता, मुझे मेरे तो भगवान के भांति बनी रही ये ही जीवन दाता, विदा अच्छों के लेने से माहौल गम जैसा बन जाता। मदर के रूप में रहकर, मदर के रूप में रहकर किया विद्यालय को रोशन, मदर के रूप में रहकर किया विद्यालय को रोशन, विद्यालय का नियम ऐसा न भूलता श्रेष्ठ जो जाता, विद्यालय का नियम ऐसा न भूलता श्रेष्ठ जो जाता, विदा अच्छों के लेने से माहौल गम जैसा बन जाता। आएंगी याद यहाँ सिस्टर एलिटी और सिस्टर सोमी भी याद आएंगी यहाँ सिस्टर, सिस्टर एलिटी और सोमी भी, मधुर स्वभाव जहाँ होता, भूला वो कभी नहीं जाई जाता, मधुर स्वभाव जहाँ होता, भूला वो नहीं कभी जाता, विदा अच्छों के लेने से माहौल गम जैसा बन जाता। जहाँ जा रही है ये विदा लेकर, जहाँ जा रही है विदा लेकर, सफल हो आपकी सेवा, जहाँ जा रही है विदा लेकर, सफल हो आपकी सेवा, मिले वातावरण वहाँ भी सभी के गुण गाता, मिले वातावरण वहाँ भी सभी के गुण गाता, विदा अच्छों के लेने से माहौल गम जैसा बन जाता, विदा अच्छों के लेने से।
Thank you, ma'am. We dance for laughter, we dance for tears. We dance for benders, we dance for fears. We dance for hopes, we dance for screams. We are the dancers, we create dreams. Now, here, Yug Chaudhary is coming to show his talent.
Goodbyes are not forever, goodbyes are not the end. They are just temporary. This simply means we will miss you until we meet again. As we say goodbye, we remind ourselves that farewell are not forever, nor are they the end. They are simply words to say that we will miss you, sisters, and that we will remember you fondly. I count it a great honor to express my gratitude and bid goodbye to outstanding and highly valued our respected sisters. I realize today indeed that precious and valued moments fly. However, this is an opportunity to acknowledge, respect, and give thanks for how our dear sisters with so much expertise pass some unique knowledge and skills to us. Though it is painful bidding farewell to someone who has become more of a parent and less of a teacher to us. Sisters, I hope we can continue to do our best in a humble way and uphold your legacy in the school. With all my heart, I wish you a contented, joyous, happy, and a healthy life. We express our gratitude and a big thanks on behalf of everyone to you for all that you have done for our institution. Happy farewell, sisters.
A very good morning to all sisters and my dear colleagues. As you all know that Today we are going to celebrate our dear sister's farewell ceremony. I am Sapna Rajput. So today on this auspicious occasion, I want to express my feelings through a few lines. कहाँ से शुरू करें? कहाँ से शुरू करें कुछ समझ नहीं आता है। आपकी विदाई के जिक्र से दिल भर आता है। आपकी विदाई के जिक्र से दिल भर आता है। आपकी ज़िंदा दिली के किस्से इतने मशहूर हैं। आपकी ज़िंदा दिली के किस्से इतने मशहूर हैं कि सम्मान से हम सबका सिर झुक जाता है। कि सम्मान से हम सबका सिर झुक जाता है। आँखों से दूर सही, दिल से दूर कहाँ जाओगे? जाने वालों तुम हमें याद बहुत आओगे। जाने वालों तुम हमें याद बहुत आओगे। हम तो कच्ची मिट्टी थे, चंदन बना दिया। हम तो कच्ची मिट्टी थे, चंदन बना दिया। कांच की सूरत में मणिकंचन बना दिया। ये मेहरबानियाँ कभी भुला नहीं पाएंगे। आप वो पारस हैं जिसने हमें कुंदन बना दिया। आप वो पारस हैं जिसने हमें कुंदन बना दिया। विदा होकर आज यहाँ से चले जाओगे। विदा होकर आज यहाँ से चले जाओगे। पर आशा है यही, जहाँ भी जाओगे खुशियाँ ही पाओगे। पर आशा है यही, जहाँ भी जाओगे खुशियाँ ही पाओगे। यादों के फ्रेम में आपकी तस्वीर सजाएंगे। यादों के फ्रेम में आपकी तस्वीर सजाएंगे। आप तो चले जाएंगे, मगर हमें आप याद बहुत आओगे। हमें आप याद बहुत आओगे। खूबियाँ इतनी तो नहीं हम में कि तुम्हें कभी याद आएंगे। खूबियाँ इतनी तो नहीं है हम में कि हम तुम्हें कभी याद आएंगे। पर इतना तो एतबार है हमें। पर इतना तो एतबार है हमें खुद पर कि हमें भुला नहीं पाओगे। पर इतना तो एतबार है हमें खुद पर कि आप हमें कभी भुला नहीं पाओगे। ये हुनर ये सादगी, ये हुनर ये सादगी, ये अपनेपन की मूरत नहीं देखी। किरदार तो बहुत देखे हैं ज़माने में। किरदार तो बहुत देखे हैं ज़माने में, पर आप जैसी शख्सियत नहीं देखी। आप जैसी शख्सियत नहीं देखी। थैंक यू। हैव ए नाइस डे। वक्त कहता है मैं फिर ना आऊँगा। क्या पता तुझे मैं हंसाऊँगा या रुलाऊँगा। जीना है तो इस पल को ही जी लो, क्योंकि इस पल को मैं अगले पल तक ना रोक पाऊँगा।
आदरणीय प्रधानाचार्य जी, मदर जी, सम्मान के योग्य सिस्टर्स जी, वास्तव में समय बहुत पावरफुल होता है। अब देखिए ना, आपके साथ बिताया हुआ समय मात्र एक सपना बनकर रह गया है और आपकी बातें, आपकी यादें सदा के लिए हमारे मन में बस गई हैं।
रेस्पेक्टेड मदर जी, आपने जो मुश्किलों में साथ दिया वो याद रहेगा। जब मैं अपने दुख में गिरी और आपने हाथ देकर संभाला वो याद रहेगा। आपकी जगह जो भी आए वो आप जैसा ही हो, हम बस यही चाहेंगे। सच कहते हैं हम आपको एक पल न भूल पाएंगे। रेस्पेक्टेड सिस्टर सोमी जी और सिस्टर एंडेड जी, मैं आपके बारे में बस इतना ही कहना चाहूँगी। माना कि ये दौर बदलते जाएंगे, आप जाएंगे तो कोई और आएंगे, मगर आपकी कमी इस दिल में हमेशा ही रहेगी। सच कहते हैं सिस्टर जी, आप हमें बहुत याद आएंगे, बहुत याद आएंगे।
आप सभी के अच्छे स्वास्थ्य की कामना करते हुए पूरा सेंट मैरी परिवार आपका हृदय से आभार व्यक्त करता है। धन्यवाद।
A very good morning, everyone. As we are presumed that we are here to bid farewell to our lovely sister, Sister Somi, Sister Anlet, and Sister Prima. I feel very honored to get a chance to bid farewell to our lovely sisters and express my heartfelt gratitude and love towards our sisters. And I am disheartened also by the fact of this parting. The years we spent in a shelter of your deep love and concern will always be reminisced throughout our life. Remember, you did every single thing you could do for us. You indeed are a symbol of holiness in yourselves. And with these splendid years of togetherness, we all feel ourselves very lucky. By here, I would like to end my words by saying that our memories of yesterday will last a lifetime. We will take the best, forget the rest. Someday, we will find these are the best of our times. I would like to wish you a very wonderful life ahead. Thank you.
You all the sisters are extraordinary and always inspired us. All the memories associated with you always be in our heart. You all are the building block of this school who have given their complete potential in making our school as a temple. Thank you.
Good morning to one and all present here. A warm welcome and lots of good wishes on becoming part of our St. Mary's family. Our pleasant greetings go out to you, Reverend Sister Teresa Martin, on your arrival. It is a matter of great pleasure and honor for me to welcome the new manager of St. Mary's Convent School, Haldor, Reverend Sister Teresa Martin. She has previously worked for many years at various schools and has remained successful in delivering positive results. She had translated many books from Malayalam to English. She holds PhD degree in zoology. She served the society as professor as well in colleges. During my conversation with her, I have found her a very bold lady with great ideology, determinism, and vision. I, on behalf of the entire administration, faculty, and student body, wholeheartedly welcome you, sister, to St. Mary's Convent School, Haldor. We hope that with your energy, enthusiasm, and focus on education and learning, our institute achieves greater excellence. Last but not the least, it is my wish that under your leadership and guidance, may we reach the next levels of glory. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is a matter of great pleasure, honor for me to welcome our new manager and director. So I request our Honorable Sister Lena, Principal, to show the token of love by giving bouquet to our new manager and director. Sister, please. Thank you, sister. Now I request Sister Lena, our principal, to say a few words on this auspicious day.
A very good morning to everyone present here. Respected Sister Teresa Martin, the new manager, Reverend Sister Premia, our former manager, Reverend Sisters, teachers, and my dear students. Today we have gathered in this digital platform to bid farewell to our lovely sisters, Mother Premia, Sister Somi, and Sister Anlit. As we all know, parting is always painful, but life is a journey, and therefore parting is a natural process in this journey. Some way or the other way, we have to part at any point of our life. So here I am to appreciate and remember the great things which these sisters have done for the school and for the locality here in Haldor. Loving friends, you all know that our loving Mother Ji was a compassionate person, very loving and caring. As the title says, Mother Ji, she was a real mother to all of us. And my dear teachers, you all know that you have experienced her motherly touch, motherly love and concern in every field of your life. Whenever you have some problem in your life, when you face some difficulties, I know that you used to call Mother Ji and she used to console you and pray for you. And she is also a very spiritual person, prayerful, and always concerned about the needs of the other. As she was a pioneer, she was knowing each and every stone of this school. And a frequent visit to the villages she used to make. And therefore, the parents and the people in this locality are well known to her. Mother Ji, we are very grateful for the great work which you have done for the school. Not only that, as a MSW person, you have also shown your capability, your caliber in counseling the students in the school and solving their problems. We are, on behalf of St. Mary's family, wholeheartedly, I thank you for the great service you rendered to the school St. Mary's. Now let me talk about Reverend Sister Anlit. She has joined in the school only in the month of October. But from then, she was working here as a dedicated teacher. Among the parents, students and teachers, she is famous now. It's only because of her hard work and dedication which she has shown her in her career. Dear sister, we are very much grateful to you and appreciate your wholehearted support and the responsibility which you have shown towards the students and the teachers. Whenever I was not here, you worked as a sincere person and did all the work in place of me. I am very much grateful to you. And you know, Sister Anlit is a genius. She is a very good mathematician and a very good teacher. Actually, we are losing a great personality from our school. Dear sister, we are wishing all the best in all your future endeavors, and we will remember and pray for you throughout your journey. Thank you, sister. Thank you very much. Now we have our loving and caring sister Somi. As you all know, she was flying in the school like a butterfly. We can see her every nook and corner of this school. In each and every need, she was there as a helper. Sister, I am very much grateful to you for all the service which you have rendered for this school. You were always there, very much approachable and a sincere person to help us in every need. There was no complaint you made any time for any work. This is a peculiar character which we can see in you. Dear sister, as we know, you are very young. You have a good and bright future. We wish you all the best in all your future endeavors and wishing you all the best, and we also assure our prayers to you. Thank you, sister.
Pleasant morning to everyone present here. Respected Sister Tessa Martin, new manager, Sister Lena, loving sisters, teachers, non-teaching staff and loving students. Parting is always painful, but as we all know, parting is a part of everyone's life. Here we are with heavy heart to say goodbye to everyone. The love and support that the St. Mary's family rendered to each one of us is remarkable. This program is also a part of it. In this Corona season, you all took such a great interest to come under one platform and conduct this farewell ceremony. We are really grateful to each and every one of you. Let me take this opportunity to thank Principal Reverend Sister Lena, who took keen interest to arrange such a program and execute it properly. I also thank new Staff Secretary Mr. Vigas, who was the backbone of this program. I thank all the members of the staff and students who found out time and performed beautiful programs from the limited situations. I also remember and appreciate the hard work and labor our non-teaching staff render for our school. I also thank all the students who spent their time to showcase their talents in their farewell program and conveyed their love and respect. When I came here first, it was a small school with very few staff members. Now, when I took back, I am really happy to see the growth of the school. Even though I am not doing frequent visits in a school, I am very much concerned about your progress. I am really happy to see that the teachers are very much capable for conducting the programs and executing.
Reverend Sister Lena, You are a force of eradicate, having good and well-nurtured qualities and graces, which are seems to be used for the betterment of the one who comes contact with you. With all gratitude, we wish you and pray for that all your endeavors may come true in this St. Mary's family. Now I would like to thank all my teachers. I will always treasure working here with you has been a fantastic learning experience, and I am thankful for the skills I have acquired. We feel as if being here with you all each day has gifted us unforgettable memories. Thank you for honoring us by arranging these marvelous and heart-touching moments. We can read your tireless effort. Yes, teachers, we are really in that too. I also take this opportunity to thank our non-teaching who work for the betterment of this institution. Thank you so much. Once again, I remain thankful. Sister Principal, Reverend Sisters and my dear teachers, good morning to all of you. To say goodbye is a part of our religious life, in order to remind us that here on earth we are only a traveler. Indeed, it reflects that it's not a permanent place for every one of us. As you all know, that I come over here with a feeling of falling flower with its plant, with a lot of gratitude on behalf of Motherji, Sister Annelit and myself. I express my heartfelt thanks to God Almighty who designed a wonderful plan for us. Every drop in the ocean counts, and we would never forget those who helped us sail through the sea waters of life, for they deserve a part of this reward. Thank you.
A very warm cheers morning to all. It is my privilege to propose a vote of thanks and acknowledge the contribution of those who worked hard to make this event successful. First of all, my sincere thanks to Almighty God for making today's event a grand success. And I would like to thank to our most valued Honorable Principal Reverend Sister Lena, who spent her busiest time to grace the occasion. Sister, you gave me an opportunity to speak on this occasion. It is a matter of honor for me. Further, big thanks to Management Committee. I mention my sincere sense of gratitude to them. On behalf of entire St. Mary's family, I would like to thank all the outgoing sister, Motherji, Sister Annelit and Sister Somi, because the school would not have been complete without your presence. I thank you from bottom of my heart. I would also like to thank the students and teaching staff for the complete preparation of this farewell event. Motherji, Sister Somi and Sister Annelit, आपके सामने मैं कुछ पंक्तियां व्यक्त करना चाहती हूँ. ट्रांसफर सेवा नियम है, ट्रांसफर सेवा नियम है, पर विदा पर होता है दुख, पर विदा पर होता है दुख. कष्ट होता है मात्र उनका, कष्ट होता है मात्र उनका, मिलता जिनसे सबको सुख. दे रहे जिनको विदाई, दे रहे जिनको विदाई, याद आएगी जुदाई. निज कुशल स्वभाव से, निज कुशल स्वभाव से मोह लिया था सबका रुख. योग्यता व्यवहार और स्वभाव, योग्यता व्यवहार और स्वभाव ना भूलेंगे हम. आपसे विनती है ये, आपसे विनती है ये, जाके ना होना विमुख, जाके ना होना विमुख. जहाँ भी रहें प्रसन्न रहें, जहाँ भी रहें प्रसन्न रहें. ईश्वर से है ये प्रार्थना, ईश्वर से है ये प्रार्थना. ट्रांसफर सेवा नियम है, ट्रांसफर सेवा नियम है, पर विदा पर होता है दुख, पर विदा पर होता है दुख. Thank you. Once again, I want to thank all my staff for their cooperation. Thank you and thank you so much.